Is your Android emulator running slowly, freezing or giving you low FPS while gaming? Don't worry, in this guide I will show you a simple settings that can help make your emulator faster, smoother and more stable. These tips work for most popular Android emulator including Bluestacks, MSI player and many other. First, open your emulator and go to settings. In the performance section, choose the number of CPU core and amount of the RAM based on your computer specification. If your PC has 4-core processor, you can assign 2 or 4 core depending on what works best. Avoid assigning all computer resource if you also use other program at the same time. Next, set the performance mode to high performance. Enable high frame rate and if your computer can handle it. Set the FPS limit to 90 FPS. This can make games feel much smoother. Save the changes and restart the emulator. After restarting, open the display settings. You can use up the default resolution or create custom resolution. A resolution of 1080x800 is a good choice because it provided a nice balance between performance and image quality. Now go to the graphics section, choose the recommended graphics, rendering and make sure CPU acceleration is enabled. If enabling hardware decoding causes error or unstable performance, simply turn off it. Every computer is different, so test the settings to see what works best for your system. You can also disable features that you don't use, such as gamepad option or extra emulator feature running in the background. This helps reduce unnecessary resource uses. And then select Preference, then follow my screen. Then choose your phone. Then choose Advanced option and turn on ADB option. After changes, click Save Changes. Restart your emulator. If you know how to safely remove unnecessary apps from the emulator, you can free up storage and memory. Be careful not to remove improved system apps because doing so may causes the emulator to stop working correctly. If you use an optimization tool, always download it from the trusted source and follow the instruction provided the developer. Finally, install your favorite game and open it the game settings. Choose smooth graphics and enable high FPS if available. Turn off visual effect that you don't need for every better performance. After making all these changes, restart your computer before launching the emulator again. This simple step can improve speed, reduce lag, increasing FPS and provide a smoother gaming experience. Remember that the final performance also depending on your computer hardware, so result may vary from one system to another. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.